Hey guys, so we have here our solar powered Mosquito Zapper, and in this video we want to show you how to set one of these up. So we have here several components. We have here a USB charging cable, some hardware, a brush to clean everything, then here a little chain, okay, and then these legs that we can use to stand this thing up straight, and then here of course the solar panel, and then the main device. You see here the electrical grid. We see the three UV lights, three tubes. And then what else do we have here? On the side we have a switch with three positions. So off, then on number 1 and on number 2. We're going to take a look at that later, what that means, what the difference between 1 and 2 is. And then here on the top we have these two holes. This is where we can install our solar panel if we wanted to. So you see on the solar panel we have the corresponding holes here on the side. We take one of the screws for each side. Then on the other side we use the wing nut to close everything. And then here we have the cable coming out of the solar panel. We can plug this right into our Mosquito Zapper. And alternatively we can also permanently power the device by using this USB cable that goes right into this barrel connector. And now let's have a closer look at the switch here. So position number 1 is permanently on, while position number 2 is also on, but only on if the solar panel or something else does not provide electricity to charge the battery, which is inside of our Mosquito Zapper. You see here we are going to unplug the solar panel, and as soon as we do that, the UV lights are going to turn on. To position our Mosquito Zapper, we can either use the chain just to hang it up like this, or alternatively this comes also with these legs, so two of these, which have some spikes at the bottom. So if you want to put these spikes into the ground, in the dirt or lawn, then we can do this as well. And then one thing that I do like to check before I'm setting everything up here is to look at the solar panel, at the hookup for the solar panel here where the wires are connected. I'm going to make sure that there really is a stress relief in case somebody is pulling on that wire. Then you want to make sure we are not just pulling straight on the soldering connection of those two cables. So in this case here, this has a really nice strain relief, and so I can just close this back up. Otherwise I would have to, well, I would like to make sure this is better done. Okay, so now this was already for this video. Hope you found the information helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.